Oh dear. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been an eventful morning. I had to pop back down to Numpong train station this morning, and I had to drop off Tam's daughter. So I drove down there, and on the way back, coming up through Cranawan, I turned around and got pulled over by the police on a routine check. Now, admittedly, they said to me that I had no tax on our car. Now, I was pretty sure, that the tax had been sorted by Tam about 2 weeks ago, including the sort of like MOT, if you like. So I was under the impression it was all sorted. But anyway, I ended up getting a 500 baht fine for no tax. Of course, I phoned Tam so she could have a chat, couldn't get hold of her. And then, so I got back home, and Tam said, oh yeah, the tax ran out end of January. So yeah, we were right, we didn't have any tax, and yeah, I got to pay a 500 baht fine. So just remember guys, you've got a car or bike out here, just remember to keep it all taxed, because they will try and get you if they can. But hey, you know, these things happen, you know, so there we go. Right, I'm going to spin you around. Now, one of the guys in the post from yesterday asked regarding about these tiles, how we're getting on with them. Now, I did post them up the other day. They are a couple of tiles short, about half a box short. Now, they were, the reason, if you don't know, the reason they were took up in the first place, all the centre ones, all the way down, if you tap them, they were hollow. And the reason they were hollow was when they put like the cement mix down, they didn't wet it enough, so there was nothing for it to bind to. So eventually it just pulled away and just popped. Now, they sent another load of guys out to come and do this tiling. He turned round and he tiled it, you know, no problem. Ripped all the old stuff up, retiled it. And then they sent another guy to come and finish. And the other guy came, looked at it. And when a tie turns round and says that, you know, I won't continue this work because the tiles this other guy had laid were all over the place. I didn't check it. Admittedly, I normally do, but I didn't. I was a bit busy with the restaurant. So he ripped them all up again, relaid the floor, and then put these down as they are now. So they're due to be coming back tomorrow to get this finished, grouted, and then I can use and access the pool properly. I've stayed out of the pool at the moment because, you know, I want to try and avoid anything if I can going in the pool. There has been some bits gone in the pool, but luckily my pool robots managed to pull most of it out. So yeah, so that's to you. Who was asking regarding the pool tiles. Now we're going with it. Hopefully it should all be sorted tomorrow and we will be back to normal. So there you go. So right then, let's pop down and have a quick look at what's going on down the bottom here. Spin you around. Another lovely hot day today, so the temperature is definitely rising up here in northeast Isan, I've got to say. So let's have a quick look down there, and yeah, we'll see what's going on. I'll just get through the gate. Right guys, so I'm through the gate. Let's go and have a quick look. What? Better order some more then. So it's coming on, getting the chippings down. Apparently they're a little bit short, so we're going to have to order some more, but they'll come and drop them off. They're always very dusty to start with. Once you get a bit of water on the top of them, they clean up quite well. So, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit short on the chippings, so we'll get some more ordered. But I think they are definitely going to be finished today. I know they've been doing a bit more painting in here. just touching a few odds and ends up. So yeah, I mean, I had one of the subscribers commented regarding the floors. Now, he sort of mentioned about painting them and stuff, which, in all fairness, I actually thought about doing something similar myself. But I think what I'm probably going to do for durability is we'll get the restaurant open, get it up and running, and then, I don't know, maybe next year we'll turn around and I'm just going to tile it all. So I think eventually I will tile it all the way through. Yeah, Tom's working. How much you charge him, Tom, per day?
2 bottle of wine.
2 bottles of wine?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. 2 bottles of red. That is. 2 bottles of red wine for Tom, and that's it. She'll come and work for you. She's a good worker. She does like working in a dressing gown for some reason, but, you know, this is it. Right then, guys, I'll pop you back down in a bit and we'll come back and have another look. So I'll see you in a bit. Right then, guys, let's pop down and have another look this afternoon. They shouldn't be too far off now, I wouldn't have thought, from actually finishing the builders. So I think what I'm going to do, I think I'm not even sure if I've done it with this series. I'm going to put the drone up and just get a shot from above. So I'll do that shortly, I think, and we'll have a quick look. Let's go through the gate. So it's nice to have the two bits sort of separate here, you know, because we will keep this one locked so nobody can just sort of come on up anyway. So let's have a quick look. Tom's mum here. Tom's busy tidying. So it looks like we've had our other bit of gravel arrive. They've obviously done a bit more cement in here. I won't go on there because obviously I don't want to disturb it too much. But yeah, just a little bit of gravel down. It's just tidies it all up a little bit. We'll wash it over later and get rid of a lot of the dust and stuff off of it. But it just finishes it off. It's a good, cheap fix. I think about per ton, it worked at about 300 baht a ton, I think. Something like that, anyway. So, I'll tell you what, I can't believe how actually cool it is in here. It's really, really hot outside, but even though with the metal roof and stuff, it still is really cool. We did think about putting like the insulated sort of PU foam on there, but I'm glad we didn't bother now, actually, because at the end of the day, it's just a restaurant. People are going to come, they're going to just sort of have a, have a bite to eat, maybe a couple of beers, and then they're going to be on their merry way, I'd have thought. So, but I know they've been tidying up a few odds and ends, repainting a few bits, and just touching stuff up today. So let's have a quick look from out on the old road. So yeah, it's definitely coming on. Like if you haven't seen it, obviously that gate will fold right the way across and fold up in amongst this lot as well. So those two sections can be opened, or we can just have it as it is and just have the one section open, which you'll probably do, I'd have thought, in the day. So yeah. Yeah, it's coming on. It's coming on, guys. I think I'll leave them to it again, and I'll pop down later. Yeah, they just give it a coat of paint on a few other places, so I won't touch anything just in case I touch them but wet. But I'll pop down later once they are going to shoot off, And yeah, I'll go and quickly pop the drone up, I think. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll stick the drone up and have a look at the view from above. I'll possibly chuck it over the villa as well, because I expect you guys haven't seen it from the air for a while. It's probably looking a bit dirty. Could do with a good rainstorm just to get rid of some of the dust off of the panels and roof and what have you. But you know, so yeah, and I'll get back to you in a bit, guys. So we'll see you soon. Okay guys, so as they say, that is a wrap. The builders have been and they have finished their bit, so it's really over to us just to crack on and get everything sorted now, ready. So yeah, I'll turn around. We'll get somebody to come pick the rubbish up. But luckily we got somebody local in the village who's quite happy to pick up any rubbish whatsoever, so that's quite handy. But as you can see, I've given it a little bit of water earlier just to get rid of some of the dust. It's only cheap gravel, but it's quite big stones, so you know it's a bit better, you know, being bigger stones than really small stuff. So it just tidies it up a little bit for now. But like I said, I think I'll eventually I'll put 2 units up over here, 2 of like the bamboo type, you know, sort of little huts with seating area in as well. I should put that there. Tom's just getting a bit more of the dust down. When they brought this earlier, there was a lot of dust from it, so we've been busy just sort of washing it all over and cleaning it up a bit. So yeah, so that's about it, guys, for for this. Well, the actual build side of it. I will bring you along for the actual bringing in of the sort of kit and, you know, setting up the restaurant. I'll bring you along for that. A few people have asked regarding the Google address for the restaurant. Now, I will post it in this vlog, so you can have a look. Now, the photos that are there at the moment are from our restaurant down in Nampong. So, obviously, we'll update the photos once we've got all the kit in and, you know, Tom sort of got everything sorted this end. But it will give you the address of where the restaurant will be. Obviously, it's not going to be open probably until the end of this month. So yeah, but as soon as it is open, guys, I will let you know. So yeah, well, I was thinking of going down for a bit of a sunset beer tonight and finishing the vlog off with that, but I don't think we're going to have much of a sunset tonight. It looks like it's starting to cloud over, so I should probably just have a beer here, I think. But yeah, so once again, guys, thank you all very, very much for joining this vlog. As usual, there's so many of you that obviously YouTube puts my channel out to, who are watching it for the first time, and if you're one of them, welcome along. Don't forget to look at my playlists. I've got the playlist of the build of the actual main villa up there, and also the you know, full playlist of doing this here. But I will continue to post on that playlist until the restaurant's up and running, so I'll still share the rest of it with you. All right, guys. So, and please, guys, don't forget, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get my numbers up. I'm getting quite close now to 1,000 subscribers. I'm about 110 off, I suppose. And with your help, we could get there. So please give us a like, follow, and a subscribe, please, because it would really, really help my channel out. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like I said, I'll bring you along when we pick up the furniture and stuff like that. But until the next one, guys, take it easy. We'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.